Are your legs feeling colder, heavier, or weaker than they used to? If you are over 70, please listen closely because this is not just a sign of getting older. It is a critical warning signal from your body, telling you that your circulation is quietly declining in the smallest blood vessels of your calves and feet. If you have noticed numbness, tingling, or that strange feeling of restless legs at night, you are in the right place. Today on Wellness Roots Journey, we are diving deep into a breakthrough discovery, the #1 vitamin that can boost your leg blood flow, potentially by 1 million times at the microscopic level. Before we reveal this life-changing nutrient, I have a small favor to ask. Our mission here is to bring the highest quality health secrets to our community in the US and Europe. If you find value in what we do, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. It helps the YouTube algorithm share this vital information with other seniors who truly need to see this. Now, let's transform your health together. To understand the solution, we must first understand the silent enemy. As the decades pass, our arteries can become stiff and narrow. This is a process called atherosclerosis, but for many seniors, it is simply the loss of elasticity. Imagine your blood vessels as old garden hoses. Over time, they become brittle and cracked. When this happens, your heart has to work double time just to push blood all the way down to your toes. This is why your feet feel like ice, even when the room is warm. This lack of blood flow means your muscles are starving for oxygen. When muscles starve, they send out pain signals. That is the cramping you feel when walking or trying to sleep. We must restore the flexibility of these vessels to fix the root cause. The secret to reversing this process lies in a molecule called nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the master key that unlocks your vascular system. It tells your blood vessels to relax and widen. This process is called vasodilation. When your vessels widen, oxygen and nutrients flood back into your muscles, washing away toxins and reducing inflammation instantly. As we age, our body naturally produces less nitric oxide. By the time we are 70, we may only produce 25% of what we did in our youth. This is why we must provide our body with the raw materials to create it again. It is like giving an old engine the high-quality fuel it needs to run smoothly once more. So, what is this #1 vitamin? It is the synergy of vitamin E and natural nitrates. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects the lining of your blood vessels from oxidative stress. But when you combine it with nitrates found in nature, specifically from beetroot, something magical happens. The nitrates convert into nitric oxide in your mouth and stomach. And the vitamin E ensures that this nitric oxide stays active in your system for as long as possible. This combination acts like a shield, preventing the nitric oxide from being destroyed by free radicals. This is the secret formula that can boost your microcirculation by a massive amount at the microscopic level, reaching the tiny capillaries that a normal pill cannot reach. You do not need expensive supplements to start. You can find these powerhouse nutrients in your local grocery store. Focus on dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, which are packed with vitamin E. For the nitric oxide boost, nothing beats fresh beetroot juice. Just 1 glass of beetroot juice in the morning can significantly lower your blood pressure and increase the stamina of your legs. Many of our viewers over 75 have reported that their leg pain disappeared after just 2 weeks of this simple routine. If you don't like the taste of beets, you can mix them with a green apple or a bit of ginger. This creates a powerful circulation tonic that cleanses your blood and energizes your entire body from the ground up. But we cannot talk about chemistry without talking about movement. Gravity is your enemy when it comes to circulation. Blood has to fight its way up from your feet back to your heart. To help your veins, you must engage your calf muscles, often called the second heart of the human body. Every hour that you spend sitting, I want you to perform simple foot pumps. Point your toes toward the ceiling, then point them toward the floor. Repeat this for 60 seconds. This simple action squeezes the deep veins in your legs, acting like a mechanical pump to push blood upward. This is essential for anyone who spends a lot of time watching television or reading. Keep that second heart beating. Hydration is another critical factor that many seniors overlook. If you are dehydrated, your blood becomes thick and sluggish, like molasses. Thick blood cannot reach the tiny capillaries in your skin. This leads to dry skin, slow healing wounds, and that heavy feeling in your limbs. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of filtered water a day. To make it even more effective, add a squeeze of fresh lemon. The vitamin C in lemons works with vitamin E to strengthen the collagen in your vessel walls, preventing those unsightly spider veins and keeping your circulation flowing. Think of water as the lubricant for your vascular machine. Without it, everything grinds to a halt. Let us look at the long-term strategy for your wellness roots journey. Consistency is the most important ingredient. Avoid wearing tight socks or shoes that restrict blood flow. Opt for compression socks if you have significant swelling, as they provide gentle pressure to keep the fluid moving. Also, be mindful of your salt intake. Too much sodium causes your body to hold on to water, which creates pressure on your veins. At night, you'd try elevating your legs above the level of your heart for 20 minutes. This uses the power of gravity to drain excess fluid and reduce the pressure on your lower extremities. You will wake up feeling lighter and more energized for the day ahead. I know what some of you might be thinking. Is it too late for me? The answer is a resounding no. The human body is incredibly resilient. Even at 80 or 90, your blood vessels can still respond to the right stimuli. If you have mobility issues, start small. Even wiggling your toes while lying in bed makes a difference. If you are taking medication for blood pressure, always consult with your doctor before adding large amounts of beetroot juice, as it is very effective at lowering pressure naturally. Listen to your body. It will tell you what it needs. The goal is progress, not perfection. Small wins every day lead to a massive transformation over time. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. You have the power to influence how your body ages. By choosing the right nutrients, staying active, and staying informed, you are taking control of your future. If you found these tips helpful, please comment below with the word circulation. It lets me know that you watched until the end and that you are ready to take action. Also, share this video with a friend or a family member who might be struggling with leg pain. Knowledge is the greatest gift you can give. Thank you for being a part of the Wellness Roots Journey community. I am Juniper, and it is an honor to walk this path with you. Stay healthy, stay active, and stay blessed. I will see you in the next video.